Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of the extraordinary. Prepare yourself to journey across deserts, plunge into the ocean depths, and explore lush rainforests as we encounter some of the most unbelievable creatures on Earth. Get ready to be amazed by 10 unique animals you won't believe exist. From the bizarre to the beautiful, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content. Our journey begins in the ancient lakes of Mexico, where we encounter a creature seemingly frozen in time. This is the axolotl, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish. What makes the axolotl truly extraordinary is its ability to retain its juvenile features throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. Found primarily in the remnants of Lake Xochimilco, the axolotl thrives in these murky depths. Its ability to regenerate lost limbs, and in some cases even parts of its heart and brain, is nothing short of astonishing. Sadly, habitat loss and pollution have pushed these remarkable creatures to the brink of extinction in the wild. Our next encounter takes us to the heart of Africa, to the swamplands and wetlands where a prehistoric-looking giant reigns. This is the shoebill, a bird whose appearance is both imposing and comical. Standing tall on spindly legs, the shoebill cuts a striking figure with its powder blue-grey plumage and piercing yellow eyes. But it is the bird's massive shoe-shaped beak that truly captures the imagination. With patience that would shame a seasoned angler, the shoebill stalks its prey, standing motionless for what seems like an eternity. Despite its formidable size and hunting prowess, this avian giant is a devoted parent, fiercely protective of its young. The shoebill, a testament to the power of adaptation and the enduring strength of parental bonds. Journeying now to the windswept steppes of Central Asia, we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a fantasy novel. This is the saiga antelope, an animal whose most striking feature is its large bulbous nose. This extraordinary appendage, resembling an oversized snout, is a remarkable adaptation to the harsh environments in which the saiga lives. During the mating season, the male saiga's nose swells even larger, amplifying its calls and attracting potential mates. Sadly, the saiga antelope is critically endangered, its numbers decimated by poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining saiga populations, but their future remains uncertain. Our next encounter takes us to the forests and savannas of Africa and Asia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have borrowed its armor from a medieval knight. This is the pangolin, the only mammal in the world covered in overlapping scales made of keratin. When threatened, this shy creature curls up into a tight armored ball, protecting its vulnerable underbelly. Even lions and leopards think twice before tangling with a pangolin in this defensive posture. The demand for their scales, used in traditional medicine and as status symbols, has made them the most trafficked mammal in the world. Despite international efforts to protect them, pangolins are still poached at alarming rates. Prepare to dive into the vibrant world of coral reefs, where we encounter a creature that packs a punch that belies its small size. This is the mantis shrimp, a crustacean with a reputation as the thumb splitter of the sea. The mantis shrimp possesses a pair of appendages called raptorial claws that can strike with the speed of a bullet, delivering blows so powerful that they can shatter aquarium glass. These lightning-fast strikes create cavitation bubbles that generate intense heat and pressure, stunning their prey with a sonic boom. Its eyes are among the most complex in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing ultraviolet and polarized light, as well as 16 different color channels. This extraordinary vision allows them to navigate their complex coral reef habitats and hunt with incredible precision. Our journey now takes us to the island of Madagascar, a land of unique and wondrous creatures, where we encounter a primate that seems to have sprung from the pages of a fantasy novel. This is the a nocturnal lemur with an appearance that has earned it the unfortunate reputation of being a harbinger of bad luck in some cultures. With its large bat-like ears, piercing yellow eyes and scraggly black fur, the eye is certainly an unconventional beauty. Using a technique known as percussive foraging, the eye taps on trees with its long middle finger, listening for the telltale sounds of grubs and insects tunneling beneath the bark. Once located, it uses its sharp teeth to gnaw a hole in the wood, and then its slender middle finger, tipped with a hooked claw, to extract its prey. Sadly, like many of Madagascar's unique inhabitants, the eye is threatened by habitat loss and superstition-driven hunting. Prepare to descend into the inky depths of the ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to have time-traveled from a prehistoric era. This is the Goblin Shark, a rare and elusive species that has earned the nickname living fossil due to its primitive features. The Goblin Shark's most striking feature, its long protruding snout, gives it an almost comical appearance. This unusual appendage is a highly specialized hunting tool, equipped with electrosensitive receptors that allow the Goblin Shark to detect the faint electrical fields emitted by its prey. When a potential meal is detected, the Goblin Shark's jaws extend outward with lightning speed, snapping up its prey with an impressive gape. This jaw-extending mechanism, unique among sharks, showcases the Goblin Shark's adaptation to a life spent hunting in the abyss. Our journey now takes us to the coastal waters of southern Australia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung from the imagination of a fantasy artist. This is the leafy sea dragon, a master of camouflage that blends seamlessly into its kelp forest habitat. Its body, adorned with leaf-like protrusions, allows it to disappear amongst the seaweed, making it nearly indistinguishable from its surroundings. The leafy sea dragon is an ambush predator, lying in wait for unsuspecting crustaceans and plankton to drift within range of its tube-like snout. Our next encounter takes us to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, where we encounter a creature that seems to be a fusion of two different animals. This is the okapi, a mammal that has puzzled explorers and scientists alike since its discovery in the early 20th century. With its reddish-brown coat, striped hindquarters resembling a zebra, and a long neck like its distant cousin the giraffe, the okapi is truly a sight to behold. It possesses a prehensile tongue so long that it can use it to groom its own ears and eyelids. Sadly, the okapi is an endangered species, its numbers dwindling due to habitat loss, poaching, and civil unrest in its native range. Efforts are underway to protect this elusive creature and ensure its survival for generations to come. Our final encounter takes us on a journey to the open ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to have floated down from another world. This is the blue dragon, a small but stunningly beautiful sea slug that packs a powerful, venomous punch. The blue dragon, no larger than your thumb, floats gracefully on the surface, its body a canvas of vibrant blue, silver, and black. The blue dragon is a voracious predator, and its diet consists of some of the ocean's most venomous creatures, including the Portuguese man-o'-war. Using specialized stinging cells called nematocysts, which it steals from its prey, the blue dragon stores the venom in its own tissues, becoming even more venomous than the creatures it consumes. It's a delicate dance of survival, a testament to the incredible adaptability of life in the ocean. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, we've explored just a glimpse of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Remember, every like and subscription helps us continue to bring you these incredible stories from the wild. Until next time, keep exploring.